how 5G actually works and why it matters. Let's take a quick look at the fascinating history of mobile networks and how they have evolved over the years. From 1G, which was all about analog voice communication and basic connectivity, to 2G, which introduced digital voice, SMS, and more reliable connections. Then came 3G, bringing mobile data, internet access, and the ability to browse the web. 4G revolutionized mobile internet with high-speed data, streaming, and enhanced multimedia experiences. And now, we have 5G promising even more transformative changes and unprecedented connectivity. Hey everyone, what's up? Our today's topic is how 5G actually works and why it matters. You've heard the hype. 5G is here, and it's not just about faster internet, it's about changing everything. But how does it actually work, and why should you even care? So, how does 5G stack up against 4G? Let's dive into the details and see the differences. Well, 5G offers speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, making downloads and streaming incredibly quick. It also has significantly lower latency, meaning less delay in data transmission, which is crucial for gaming and video calls. Plus, 5G can handle a lot more devices simultaneously, making it perfect for smart cities and IoT, where connectivity is key. In short, 5G is not just an upgrade, it's a game changer, revolutionizing how we connect and interact with the world. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechSpill. If you're into tech made simple, hit that like button and let's jump into it. GAP-2.0S. The future of 5G is incredibly exciting. Imagine augmented reality experiences that are seamless and lifelike, or virtual reality that feels like you're actually there. 5G will also enable advanced robotics, smart agriculture, and even more efficient energy grids. The possibilities are endless. 5G stands for fifth generation, the latest upgrade in mobile network technology. Compared to 4G, it promises speeds up to 100 times faster, super low latency, and the ability to connect millions of devices at once. But it's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new infrastructure. 5G and the Internet of Things, IoT, are a match made in heaven. With 5G, IoT devices can communicate faster and more reliably. This means smarter homes, more efficient factories, and even connected healthcare devices that can monitor your health in real time. The synergy between 5G and IoT will drive innovation like never before. Here's the quick science behind it. First, 5G uses higher frequency radio waves, called millimeter waves, which are much higher than those used in previous generations. They carry a lot more data, but can't travel very far or through walls, making them less effective in certain environments. Second, because these waves are weaker over distance, cities are getting tons of small 5G cells, on lampposts, buildings, even bus stops. Third, there's beamforming, a crucial technology. Think of 5G like a laser-focused beam, not a wide spray, which helps in targeting specific devices. It directs the signal exactly where it's needed, improving speed and reliability, ensuring a better user experience. With great power comes great responsibility. 5G brings a host of security concerns that need to be addressed. From data privacy to network vulnerabilities, it's crucial to ensure that 5G networks are secure. Researchers and companies are working tirelessly to make 5G as safe as it is powerful. Okay, cool tech talk, but why does it matter to you? 5G is being rolled out at different paces around the world. Countries like South Korea and China are leading the charge, with extensive 5G networks already in place. Meanwhile, other countries are catching up, investing heavily in 5G infrastructure. The global race for 5G dominance is on, and it's fascinating to watch. Real-time gaming, imagine playing Fortnite or Call of Duty Mobile with zero lag, anywhere. Driverless cars. Self-driving vehicles need instant communication with everything around them. Other cars, traffic lights, the road. 5G makes that possible. Remote surgeries. Doctors in New York could perform surgery on a patient in Tokyo, in real time with no delay. Smart cities. 5G will power millions of connected devices. Smart homes, traffic systems, public safety networks. Of course, 5G isn't perfect yet. Coverage gaps. Right now, 5G is mostly in big cities. Rural areas, not so much. Battery drain. Early 5G phones sucked battery life fast, though it's improving. Health concerns. There's been some chatter about 5G and health risks, but according to current scientific studies, 5G is safe. 5G isn't just about downloading a movie in 3 seconds. It's the foundation for the future smarter cities, safer cars, better healthcare, and yes, faster TikToks. If you learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy tech breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you would do with super fast internet? See you next time.